Welcome back to part 4 of the video of what did we find in the box today. Let's get to the last little bit, shall we? What do we got here? Oh, this is part of the... Oh, what are we doing under here? Okay. Still got the truck. Still seems to be working pretty good. Western Maryland. And these are non-functional doors, right? Let's look closer at that. All the trucks are in that one. I don't know what's left down in here. Let's see, we got some gas pumps, maybe? Some chisel trick. Okay, hold on a second. Oh my, look what we're looking at. Okay, so more trestle. More trestle. Pretty cool trestle. Oh my. So this is gonna be fun. So up, Freightliner. What does this say? Alco Freightliner? What does this say? Black Freightliner? What is this? Classic something, and this says Up Classic, and this says Illinois Central. Wow, I have no idea what any of that means. Let's look at this though. The paper says Sunday, December 8th, 1996. So we can only assume that this was packaged with love back somewhere around that time. What a time travel, and I'm going to try to keep everything go back in the way it goes. It should go. Let's see what's in behind door number 1, shall we? Oh, wow. Look at that. Right, that is the Illinois Central. Oh, she has got some weight to it. That is beautiful. Of course, there's no No hitch pins in the front or the rear. Oh, wow. All right. Let me wrap that back up. All right, well, let's just start at the top, shall we? We even got some funnies here. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Oh, my. Very cool. This one's been blacked out. Oh, all right, well, let me put that away. Ooh, look, this is the Alco Freightliner. Look at that. Get some floating around in there. Let me put that one back. Oh, the magic of editing. The Union Pacific. Nice. Good old UP Freightliner. Looks in good condition. Oh, once again, does not have a pin on the front. Does have one on the back. Was not in the packaging. Oh, or was it? What's this? What's this? Oh, get over here. Ah, what's happening? Ah.
Move through.
Okay, yeah, that might go on there. Alright, hold on a second. On your marks, get set. Okay, we're down to 2 more. Oh, look at how cute that is. What a cute little choo-choo. Woo-woo. Wow. Okay, no pins on the front. And it's got a center pin on the back. Alright. I have to look and see who was running center pins for running stock. It's likely saved the best for last. Ready? On your marks, get set. Wow. Yeah, it is a classic Union Pacific. Oof.
Yes.
And there we go. Wow, she's in pretty rough shape. Wow, so bright.